Drive DeVilbiss Quiet 5-liter Home Oxygen Concentrator features a minimal design that's less obtrusive in your home. It measures 13.5 inches wide, 12 inches long, and 24.5 inches high, and weighs 36 pounds. The Quiet 5L is a reliable and durable oxygen concentrator. The patented DeVilbiss turn-down technology reduces wear and tear for internal parts while cutting down on the machine's power usage by 15% or more. This can significantly lengthen the lifespan of the unit. This concentrator also comes with a built-in safety feature that monitors the oxygen level over extended periods of use, known as the DeVilbiss Oxygen Sensing Device. Once you set your desired oxygen delivery rate, audible alarms will warn you in cases of high or low pressure, low flow, low oxygen, power failure, or oxygen purity. This feature comes standard on all DeVilbiss devices, providing added peace of mind for users and caregivers alike. The Drive DeVilbiss Quiet 5-liter Home Oxygen Concentrator features a modern, streamlined design that fits seamlessly into any home environment. Its intuitive layout includes user-friendly controls on an easy-to-access panel, allowing patients to adjust settings with confidence and ease. Thoughtfully designed with convenience in mind, it also includes top and side handles for simple transport and a recessed humidifier nook to prevent damage. The DeVilbiss Quiet 5L operates quietly, emitting just 46 decibels of sound while in use. Your purchase includes the DeVilbiss Quiet 5-liter unit, a cannula, and a user manual. We also offer a 3-year manufacturer's warranty on the unit. Please contact us with any questions you have about the Drive DeVilbiss Quiet 5L. When you breathe easier, we breathe easier.